This is the Wu letter sound story. Aesop told a fable about the wind and the sun. The west wind and the sun are having an argument about which of them is the strongest, the wind or the sun. The west wind says to the sun, "You see that man down here? I bet I can blow so hard that his coat comes off." The west wind blows and blows, but the man hangs onto his warm coat. The harder the wind blows, the more tightly the man holds on to his coat. "It's my turn. Let me try," says the sun. The sun shines and shines, and the man gets warmer and warmer, then hotter and hotter. Then the man gets too hot and takes off his coat. "I win," smiles the sun, and the west wind storms off.